The margin analysis page presents information in exactly the same way as the revenue analysis page. There is a paragraph comparing performance in the last month and 3 months to the previous time period and also the same time period in the previous year. Gross margin performance is then displayed over the past 2 years, with gross margin percentage displayed over the same time period. Where the information is available, performance is compared to the previous time period and also the same time period in the previous year. This is followed by the overheads analysis page with a comment on performance, overhead expenditure, and overhead expenditure as a proportion of revenue displayed in exactly the same way. The cost analysis page ranks the top 5 cost of sale lines and top 10 overhead lines based on expenditure over the previous 3 months at the top of the page and expenditure over the previous 12 months at the bottom of the page. Average monthly expenditure and expenditure as a proportion of revenue are then compared to their previous time periods. Expenditure by supplier ranked by expenditure over the past 3 months and 12 months is then presented in the same way. The net profit analysis provides an analysis of net profit in the last month and the last 3 months compared to their previous time periods and also the same time period in the previous year. Net profit and net profit as a proportion of revenue is then presented in the same way as previous pages in the report. The final 2 pages of the performance trend report focus on the business's balance sheet. The first of these 2 pages analyze the cash balance and cash ratio, as well as net current assets and the business's current ratio, with the final page of the report focusing on accounts receivable, debtor days, accounts payable, creditor days, and net worth.